Everyone loves a quick win, but with positive expected value betting isn't about overnight jackpots. So let's answer the real question. How long until you see results with positive expected value slips on DigiFantasy? Here's the reality, short-term swings are unavoidable. Even with the best positive expected value plays, you'll have losing days and even losing weeks. But over the course of hundreds of sleeps, the number starts to tilt your way. It's not luck, it's math. By consistently playing the edges found in DigiFantasy's tools, you create a repeatable process that evens out variance. Think of each slips as a single hand in poker. One hand doesn't define you, but hundreds do. Don't chase quick hits, play the long game with DigiFantasy. Sign up using the link in my description and start compounding your edge today.